Before we start the video, I would like to warn you. Some images may be experienced as shocking.
Cold-blooded murder, young man.
I am not sorry for the things I did do.
I'm saying pull the trigger that killed your son, you know, masturbates to memory of you.
Hi, this is Ray from CourtroomConvicts. Today, we will be exploring some of the most chilling and disturbing cases where murderers stood trial for their heinous crimes, but showed absolutely no signs of remorse or empathy for their victims or their families. These are cases that have shocked the world, leaving a lasting impact on the communities affected by these tragedies. From cold-blooded killers to psychopaths, we will delve into the twisted minds of these individuals, examining their lack of remorse and the impact it had on the courtroom and the legal process. So buckle up and prepare yourself for a journey into the dark depths of the human psyche. Number 1. Ronnie O'Neill. 29-year-old Ronnie O'Neill was convicted of 2 counts of first-degree murder, 1 count of attempted first-degree murder, and many more crimes. He shot his girlfriend and even stabbed their 8-year-old son. Even during the trial, Ronnie showed no regret in killing his girlfriend and stabbing his son. He loudly accepted that he killed Mayetta and that he was not at all sorry for what he had done.
I am not sorry for something I didn't do, and I am not sorry for the things I did do.
Number 2. Randall Moore. On November 11, 2009, Moore kidnapped, raped, and murdered his estranged wife. He was also convicted of shooting the police officer who responded to his estranged wife's screams. During one of the trials, when Sheila Lynch, Teresha's mother, finally got to talk to her daughter's murderer, instead of listening to her, he interrupted her speech and said, "I have not 1 ounce of remorse for Teresha's death. It could have all been prevented if you'd let me see my kid. Now you're never going to see her again," said Moore to the Lynch family, seated behind him. Number 3. Keith Ferguson. Keith Ferguson was convicted of killing his estranged wife and his father-in-law in front of their 4 children. During the trial, Keith showed no respect to either the court or the judge and kept on swearing at them. He did not even apologize to the victims' families. Number 4. Michael Swanson. Michael Swanson was charged with killing 2 Iowa convenience store clerks in 2010. While his sentencing was taking place, Michael flipped off the TV cameras and smiled after the jury convicted him. And when sent to jail, he even attacked one of his inmates. According to reports, the victim had at least 15 injuries on the neck and had to have multiple stitches. This just goes to show that he does not feel sorry for committing crimes, and if not stopped, he will never stop committing gruesome crimes. If you like the video till now, subscribe to our channel for more interesting content such as this. Number 5. TJ Lane. A horrible incident took place on February 27, 2012, when 6 students from Jordan High School in Ohio were shot. Out of these 6, 3 of them died, and the surviving ones sustained serious injuries that resulted in permanent paralysis. It is said that TJ Lane had a personal rivalry against one of his victims. Lane was eventually caught and was detained as a juvenile pending a decision by the prosecution in court, as together he would be tried as an adult. Fast forward to when he became an adult. He pleaded guilty and received 3 continuous life sentences without parole on March 19, 2013. He was even bold enough to wear a t-shirt that had "Killer" written on it in the court at the time of his trial. Not to mention he even tried to escape from prison once. This just goes to show he wasn't remorseful at all. Number 6. Kamaya Gant. Kamaya Gant was sentenced to life in prison for brutally murdering her boyfriend Marshall in May 2013. She had wounded him with multiple weapons that included a frying pan, a floor lamp, and a long knife. When family members of the victim spoke, all she did was roll her eyes and smile as a way to mock them. No sign of repentance could be found on her face. Number 7. Bryce Rhodes. Bryce Rhodes was convicted of killing 2 teens, a 14-year-old boy and a 16-year-old girl. When one of the teens' grandmothers came up to speak, all Bryce did was laugh at her and showed her the middle finger. To this, he said that laughing is not a crime. Enjoyed the video? Do not forget to like and comment with your thoughts below. If you want to listen to and watch more exciting courtroom cases, do subscribe to our channel and turn on bell notifications so that you never miss any update from us.